the fire extinguisher just in case.
Holy shoot, man. Oh, that's cool. Pretty nice arcs right there.
Oh my god! Oh, it's making flames.
Pretty awesome right there. Oh. Oh, it's moving as well. It's because the microwave's on a bit of a tilt, so it moves. There's just one in there.
Imagine if you did all four.
Oh,
Left it that long.
for God's sakes.
We have the fire extinguisher. So if it gets out of hand, we'll just open the door and spray some of this.
There's
in
20
there.
seconds left. Don't worry, people. We're just doing this for fun. So.
Yeah, we're chilling. Oh my god, look how red hot
Oh,
the end
it's
is.
glowing.
Oh shit, man.
Oh yeah, I think it's done. Oh, it melted.
Open it.
It melted onto the thing. Look at that, Dad. It like welded onto the plate.
It like welded onto the glass.
What just happened?
The screw, we put it in for a minute.